food poisoning for anyone that's had it is a terrible experience. And
Yes.
let's start with some basic recommendations you have as we shift our cooking from inside to outside to keep things safe and to avoid food poisoning.
There's really like four main steps to prevent any kind of foodborne illness. First one is cleaning. Make sure you wash your hands, wash your surfaces, wash your produce, and we can get into some of those details a little bit later. Have clean surfaces, because not only do you not want to spread germs from one place to another, but you don't want to bring any germs from your countertops onto your food, or cutting surfaces, utensils, etc. The next step is really to separate your food. So that can start in the grocery store, and we can talk about that a little bit here as well. But also even just how you separate your food in your refrigerator, keeping your meats in containers or closed bags so they're not next to other foods that aren't going to necessarily be cooked. Keeping your cooked food separate from your raw food, switching out plates. You want to separate not done from done. Okay. And then definitely if you're cooking your food, cook it to temperature. Cook it to the temperature it's supposed to be cooked at. Don't eyeball it. Most of these foods, especially meats, they don't necessarily look done, and they might be more than cooked. They could look done and not be close to being cooked. And you don't want to run that risk of undercooking any of those meats. And then last is how you store things when it's all said and done, making sure that we store things in appropriate time frames and at appropriate temperatures.